Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Pakhan in Division 2. This exotic light machine gun is a fan favorite, known for its impressive firepower and unique talent that significantly boosts its magazine size. While there are various ways to find exotic items, focusing on specific activities with targeted loot is the most efficient and reliable method to add the Pakhan to your arsenal. We will explore these methods to help you secure this formidable weapon. The most effective way to farm for the Pakhan is by utilizing targeted loot in two key activities, the Summit and Countdown. The Summit provides 100 floors of escalating difficulty, allowing you to consistently farm for specific gear. Countdown, on the other hand, is an intense 8-player extraction mission. Before starting either, ensure you set your targeted loot preference to light machine guns. This significantly increases the chance of the Pakhan dropping from enemies and bosses within these modes. To further maximize your chances of obtaining the Pakhan, consider increasing the difficulty of your chosen activity and activating as many directives as possible. Higher difficulties and more directives yield better quality and quantity of loot, including exotics. Additionally, playing in a full 4-player team where everyone agrees to share any dropped light machine guns can drastically improve your odds. In the Summit, specifically targeting boss floors can also be a very efficient farming strategy. Acquiring an exotic like the Pakhan often requires patience and persistence. Even with optimized farming methods, drops can be rare. Remember to regularly check the targeted loot rotation for open-world zones, as light machine guns might be available there too. Ultimately, choose the activities you find most enjoyable to make the farming process less of a grind. With consistent effort and smart play, you will eventually add the powerful Pakhan to your Division 2 collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.